kind of do like kind of a coastal beachy one because I found a blue plastic solar light at the Dollar Tree. And I also picked up like an ivory candle holder, and I'm going to use some ivory spray paint to paint the top of it because it's black. And it's just a blue plastic dish. It doesn't have anything in it. And so these like solar lights are like maybe a little bit bigger, I guess, than the other ones. A little bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint this so that it will match my candlestick that I'm going to be using for this project. I want it to look coastal, like the blue and the ivory. So again, I just taped off the solar light that's inside there, and I flipped it over. Propping it up on something kind of works better. And I painted the underside, and I did have a little bit of overspray, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. And since I had so much overspray with the paper tag method, I am going to use painter's tape this time. It's just a matter of cutting it, down to size where you're going to have straight edges. But I used some of that wider painter's tape from Dollar Tree. It was almost wide enough, but I am going to have to do a second piece to completely protect it. And this did work way better, so it's worth it. And then one more coat of this ivory spray paint on this. And anytime I can take the black on these and make it whatever color that I'm working with, the color pattern, it really does make a difference. So these are the pieces, just 2 items from the Dollar Tree. And then I just need to kind of glue them together. So it fits on there really well. I'm going to do the Gorilla Glue here along the outside of the plastic dish. And I think these are so cute. I found these in the same section that had like the golf ball, a dimpled one. And they are plastic, but the combination of that with that ceramic candle holder did make it heavier, and I think it's going to work well. And I know a lot of you guys have been looking for small seashells, so Dollar Tree has not been carrying them lately. I actually found this giant thing of seashells on Amazon. I will link this in my store. It even has some of the little starfish inside of it, which are great, but this is what they look like. They're just like the little shells from the Dollar Tree, so that's an option if you need to find them. I'm going to fill it up with some Dollar Tree white sand and then fill it up with just some seashells for the coastal look. And this giant thing of seashells was like $12.99. And I think it was like 1,200 pieces. So there's a lot of shells in there. So that is a good option for you. And I'll be sure to include it in my Amazon shop for you to make it a little bit easier. And I have that linked in the description of the video. Might as well put a starfish in there as well. That looks really cute. And then we can go ahead and put this on there. Let's make sure that the painter's tape held up. And as you can see, it did a way better job than just the tag. Just one little area of bleeding. I can go ahead and pop the lid back on there. A really simple coastal solar light with the sand and the seashells in there. Again, the ceramic candle holder really helped make it a sturdier, more substantial piece. But I think it turned out really cute. This is what it looks like during the day. And then let me show you what it looks like lit up at night. I love coastal solar lights. I've made so many of them on my channel. I can't resist. It's definitely one of my favorite things to make for you guys. But it was really easy to do. You could put some larger shells in there too. I think that would look really cute. And I just wanted something fun and coastal with this one.